What's up guys? So Daniel here. Sa video na to, i-analyze natin yung BTC USDT or Bitcoin USD pala. So i-analyze natin yung Bitcoin, titingnan natin kung bullish or bearish or kung ano nga bang potential na gawin niya. Bigyan ko kayo analysis ko, forecast ko, and reminder lang, this is not a financial advice, and kung ano man yung insight ko, baka magkaiba tayo at okay lang yun kasi normal lang naman yan sa trading. So let's proceed na sa chart natin. Ayan. So looking at syempre simulan natin sa weekly time frame. Ayan, ano ba nakikita natin sa weekly, no? So i-mark ko muna yung mga levels na kailangan ko. So i-mark kong levels, this can be support, this can be resistance, this can be demand or supply zone. So pare-pareho lang yun sila, almost key levels, ganun, pare-pareho lang sila. So what we see here is the price na nagre-react sa level na yan. So pag ini-stretch natin palayo, ayan. So, pag in-stretch natin ng ganyan, makikita natin na nasa key level tayo around. Pinakamababa natin nung last February 2, 2026, wherein nag-reach siya ng $53,000 or $59,000. And kung makikita natin dito, meron tayong level. Sige, focus tayo sa current price or current market structure niya. So makikita natin dito yung price is medyo lang naman, no? Medyo bearish yung ginagawa niya dyan. And then, kung titingnan natin on our monthly time frame, so ayun, parang nagre-retrace lang siya at the moment, pero on our monthly time frame or bigger view is medyo bullish pa rin naman yung itsura ni Bitcoin. So what are we expecting for the next few months? Do we expect a bullish move kaya or a bearish move? So we'll never know, no? Kasi di naman natin alam kung ano gagawin talaga ng price. Pero kayo, kung anong tingin nyo, pa-comment nga sa baba. Inom lang ako kape. Ayun, going back, punta tayo sa daily. Daily looks interesting. So, ayan. So sa weekly, no, ang overall insight natin, right now, is currently bearish yung price. Ayan, bearish siya. Pababa siya ngayon. Pero baka pumunta tayo around this level meron tayong support dito na naging resistance, and at the same time, meron tayong fair value gap. Okay, which is ito yon. Ayan, so that is around 79,000 to 80,000 na price ni Bitcoin, no? And we can see that level na balikan or retrace kasi tignan natin ngayon kung ano bang ginagawa niya. This candle, yung candle na to is a little bit rejection sa taas, pero yung next candle is parang bullish move. So, I'm expecting na, ingay naman ng aso. I'm expecting na pag na-cover natin to, we can expect this move kay Bitcoin. And it's either basagin niya to after niya pumunta dito, or mag-react lang siya, then continue na i-make yung bullish move niya for the monthly. Okay, looking at our daily time frame, ito nga yung sinasabi kong interesting kasi kung tatanggalin natin lahat, no, what we see here is napakahabang consolidation. So what normally happens pag si Bitcoin is nagko-consolidate ng sobrang haba or sobrang tagal, umaangat siya ng sobra or bumababa siya ng sobra. So ano nga ba yung potential dito? Pero what we can see here is kung susukat tayo ng Fibonacci retracement, so I only use Fibonacci retracement to identify which level is the discounted or the premium. So discounted is mura and premium is medyo mahal. So alam naman natin yan, no, on the real life analogy. Kung pipili ka between the discounted or premium, kung ikaw yung buyer, is you'll get on the discounted price, no? Pero kung ikaw yung seller, gusto mo ng premium. So, ganun lang din, it works the same sa trading. And the idea kung bakit dito ako nagsimula and dito ako nag-end is, ito yung current swing niya na nangyayari ngayon. So, kung titignan natin on our daily time frame, we are on long consolidation and we have this move na sa micro natin is parang nagbi-build siya ng slightly bullish momentum or bullish move. So, kung itatrack natin yan, no, ayan, nag-retrace siya. So, pwede nating bantayan itong level na to. If yung level na to is nabasag yan, pag nabasag yan, I can expect the move to be like this. Pero kung hindi yan nabasag, no, we can expect more further ranging move. Not unless mabibreak natin to ng malakas, then we expect ng bearish move. So, we'll never know talaga. We just react kung paano nag-work yung price, no? And yun nga pala, kung gusto mong matuto paano magbasa ng market like this or paano maintindihan yung market structure talaga in a simple way, click mo lang yung link sa bio ko or click mo lang yung link dyan sa kung saan man meron yung link. Lagay ko na lang sa description. Ayan, so may kita mo yung link doon. We have our trading framework there na ginagamit namin na sobrang simple lang and maintindihan mo na agad yung market. And actually, may parating kami na event on this. Basta check nyo lang yung link, may surprise doon na event, no? So, okay, continue tayo. Overall, on our weekly time frame is all good naman. Ayan, we are on bearish move right now, or bearish swings, or bearish leg, what we call, whatever you call it. Pero it looks bearish, not unless ma-break niya tong candle na to. Okay? And then, we expect this na baka ganyan. Or, ayan, depende na sa next, on what will happen next. Pero baka ganito yung makita natin. Or, pagka-retrace nyan dyan, mag-conso muna, then angat. So, depende on our daily time frame. Ito yung maganda. Sorry. Ito yung medyo maganda bantayan. No? Medyo naglag lang. Ang lag. And on our daily time frame, ito yung medyo interesting bantayan kasi once the price breaks this level ng malakas hindi yung parang na-break niya tapos bigla siyang bumagsak. That's a trap or some people call it break or fake out pala. Some people call it fake out. So baka fake out lang yun. Baka madali tayo and pag nag-take tayo ng long, biglang bumagsak ng malakas. So titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin ng price. Kung medyo malakas yung pagkabasag niya, I will be leaning towards bullish move hanggang dito muna sa fair value gap natin sa 79k. Pero right now, if the price doesn't break on any of these levels, I'm expecting ng further consolidation. So yun lang for today's analysis kay Bitcoin. If you learn something on this video, subscribe ka para marami ka pang mapanood na ganito. And kung gusto mo matuto kung paano mag-trade or mag-start ng trading in the right way, check mo lang yung link sa bio ko.